In this video, I will show you how to install PewDiePie Odysseus AI workspace on your USB or external hard drive and how to install models based on your hardware. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, I would like to thank Tech Jarvis. You can check his YouTube channel. He has created this Odysseus portable version in his GitHub and we will use that to run it on USB. First of all, open your browser and paste this link in the browser. I will leave this link in my description below as well. Hit enter. Here it is, Odysseus Portable by Tech Jarvis. We just need to click on the code button. In here, click on download zip. Once you've downloaded the folder, right click on the folder and click on extract all. Click on extract and it will extract the folder. I will first set up PewDiePie Odysseus on my Windows, then copy the entire folder into a USB or hard drive. This will be much faster this way. Let's open the folder. In here where it says start and Windows type is Windows batch file, right click here and click on run as administrator. Now click on run, choose yes. Now this will take 10 to 20 minutes to download the entire setup of PewDiePie Odysseus AI workspace. It will install all requirements needed to run this in your PC. You do not need to do anything else. Now I will pause the video here and start once it has been completed. Now once everything has been installed on your terminal, the Odysseus app will automatically open up in your browser. And you can see the terminal is running as well. Let's minimize the terminal. Now in here the default username is admin and the default password is Tech Jarvis. Make sure you write it with the E and click on sign in. Once signed in, let's change the password first. Go to settings, click on account. In current password, type Tech Jarvis. Type in a new password with minimum 8 characters. Let's confirm the new password and click on update password. And your password will be updated. Now once Odysseus workspace has been set up, we need to install a model. To download a model, click on the cookbook option from the left column. Where it says engine, click on the engine and choose llama.cpp. Now from here, you can choose the option from RAM to GPU. And it will show you the models which are perfect based on your GPU. You can see them from here. Choose any model you like and click on download. And it will start downloading the model right from your Odysseus workspace. Now it will take some time based on the size of your model. It has been downloaded. Once the model has been downloaded and you see the finished message, go to the terminal and press Ctrl C. Press Y, hit enter, and it will close Odysseus workspace. We need to reopen Odysseus workspace to start the model. Let's go to the folder again and open the start.bat file. It will take around 30 seconds to reopen Odysseus again. Once you do that, you will see your downloaded model in here. Now select the model to start chatting in Odysseus. For the first message, it will take some time. Here it is. Now you can use Odysseus without the internet as well. Now let me show you another cool way to download a model from the internet if you do not have the cookbook option available or if you do not see your desired model in the cookbook. So open a new tab. In here search for Hugging Face. Open huggingface.co. Click on the models link. Let's load the parameters to less than 6 billion or 5 billion depending on the hardware you have. A simple way to check this out is by going to your task manager. Open task manager, go to the performance tab. In here go to GPU and if you scroll below you can see dedicated GPU memory. Now this is your VRAM. Now the general rule is that the number of parameters your model has should be equal to or less than your dedicated GPU memory. For example, for a 4 GB memory, you have to have less than 4 billion parameters model, which will work fastest on your local PC. Now let's go back to Hugging Face. Let's set the parameters to less than 3 billion parameters, and where you see libraries, choose gguf format. Now from apps, choose llama.cpp. And here you can see all the models you can download. Now to download a model, simply open the model you like. Now in here you can check what this model is being used for. Click on files and versions. And here you can see the .gguf file. Click on the file and click on download from here. Now once it has been downloaded, first of all, close the terminal which has Odysseus running. Go to the folder where you have downloaded this model. Whichever model you have downloaded, simply copy the models, go to your Odysseus folder. In here you can see the models folder. Open the models folder and paste them here. Here you can see. Now let's go back and start Odysseus again from the start.bat file. Now once Odysseus has been opened, you will be able to see the downloaded models here as well. And you can use them to chat as well. Here you can see the new model is replying to me. Now let me show you how to transfer all of this into a USB or external drive so you can plug it anywhere you want in a macOS or Linux to start your Odysseus AI workspace. Close the terminal and simply copy the entire folder, hit Ctrl C, attach your USB drive and go to the USB drive from here and paste the entire folder here. For fastest results, I recommend using an SSD external drive. Once all the files have been copied, you can simply open the folder and open the start.bat file to open Odysseus again. Here you can see it will be started right from where we left off. Now you can simply unplug your USB and place it on any Windows, MacBook or Linux PC to run your Odysseus, and it will be started right from where you left off. Now before you copy your Odysseus folder to your USB drive, make sure to format it as an exFAT. Right click on the USB drive, click on format. In the file system, choose exFAT. By default, it will be NTFS. When you choose exFAT, you can use your USB on macOS or Linux as well. Otherwise, it will only work on Windows. Simply click on Start to format your USB to exFAT system. As I've already done mine, I will simply close this. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and comment down in the video below.